Good morning, everyone. This is Neil White. I'm the founder and CEO of West Enterprises. And I'm just going to do a quick video, very short. And I'm just going to go over a couple different numbers, one or two numbers, just to give you an idea of how beneficial my app, the technological advancement that my team and I are going to work on at Computer VIP, will have on the marketplace. Excuse me, I'm a little under the weather. So this is my MLS account. Okay, this is single family homes, this is condominiums. And we're looking at strictly just Boston now. This is just the Boston market. I have my Apple here. And we're just going to look at the Boston market. This is going to be single family and condominiums. Currently active listings, we're just looking at active. There are 966 active listings. This is just single family and condominiums in just Boston now. We're just looking at Boston, 966. Okay? 966 currently active. Now, if you look here, you see the days on market, right? So I'm going to put in 90 plus. So we're going to look at how many have been on the market for 90 plus days. This is just single family condominium in Boston. 327, I've done the math on that. That's 34% of the market. 34% of the market. Now, if you look here, if we go back up, this is all I'm going to do. We're going to go to contingents on agreements. Those are under contracts right now. Entire market in Boston, Massachusetts. I mean, this is what I see. This is just Boston. This is everywhere. So don't think that it's not everywhere else. It's everywhere. Let's see. So there are 678 currently contingent or under agreement. Okay? 678 contingent and are under agreement. And you type in days on market. Okay, we're going to type in 90 days. 90 days, 3 months. Too long. 91. That's 9%. So those that are going under contract after 90 days, that's 9% of the market. 34% of the market, the entire market in Boston right now for single family and condos, it's been on the market for over that. 9% are doing that. Over the last 6 months, 13% have sold after 100 days. So my recommendation, if I was your agent and you had me listing your property and you're in Boston and you're sitting for 90 days, I would ask you to ask me why it hasn't sold yet. And if I don't give you a good enough answer, hypothetically speaking, you should not work with me. In my opinion, that's what I would do, because the statistics show that 9% are going under contract after 100 days, and 34% of the market's been on the market for 90 plus days. And this is just Boston. I mean, this is condos and single families in Boston. It's everywhere. I could do this in any town across this whole entire state. I could do all of Massachusetts if I wanted to, and I'd find it. It's about 35% of the market. And this is just the issue that I see consistently that the product itself will help resolve. Okay? But I think the brand on top of it, you know, the agents and clients and consumers will enjoy the brand on top of that as well. So you think about 35%, maybe get about 40% of the entire real estate market in full swing once we get going here. So that's just a little brief thing that I think that I wanted to show you, because we're going to start a real estate application, me and my team here at Computer VIP, and I think that it's important for people to understand the significance of the issue that I'm trying to solve here and why I'm so passionate about it. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this today. I hope that you learned something. I hope that you take it for what it's worth, digest it, and you consider the fact that there is a big issue going on here in the real estate market, and I'm strictly trying to solve it, and I'm going to solve it, and I know my app will help solve that problem. Again, my company is not responsible for any of that. It will not be. With my app, the way it's designed, its purpose will be to avoid that situation at all costs. So thank you very much for tuning in today. Thank you.